kwao. Bunabono mbabwata nomo corrugated na wigo box corrugated asibigo babwata Boomerang ayuali ayechigech emeronge tato asama bati alia ayechigech emeronge bire na isaro na isato mbabwata Tile Provels alia Oriental Elegantal Versatile Grows na wigo na Versatile Mat MRM ni kubabwate Lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo Web Design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na wigo na Green ubutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo guchanye warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV, dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo and more for $4.50 per month.
Charagire na inde Chinsa Ikomi chabano maragova Ekeonga asenchera yowe koro Getembe TV nchenga trene Nyaboga Wilson makoro kroso muna wi manyeriro Kevin ongeri kuro studio ko benero koneka buna chibiche china mario gingo ikirachira asenchera ere yowe kranu karanso ike obenentu ika omwero Osio bwa bochori oboke gosechi by election echiro bere gokorekana chitariki 2022 mutinyo yoiga ritkoria rero nigo kyombekire kyo bochori ne chimbebe inse yoborai bwaye Erastus Edung Ethekon na boigo ensemo yoborendi inse yoborai bwaye mu Inspector General Douglas Kanja na ensemo ye kyombekire kya NCIC ebyombe byatoto byabwato koroboti igoro yokwero bere kwabo asobochori obuo Ethekon nigo abo balia barabwataniwe asobochori obuo kubwatia richiko bunenchire yemo yokwerenda konyora korwa sabe asaboigo airabu no bochori obuo nigo borache kobo bwekene no bwasieku anemono chinga kekyombe kyogia IEPC gosegatia barai korwase kyombe kya ABC bachoro amatuko amake simetinye meke yaitre nabono obona bo bochori bwabo botangane barache kora.
We are calling upon those participating in these by-elections to ensure that they follow strictly the code of conduct on elections. The code of conduct was again signed by all political parties that are participating in these by-elections. The same code of conduct was also signed by the respective candidates who are participating in these by-elections. And the code of conduct is not a mere suggestion. The code of conduct is binding and it is founded in law, the Elections Act, but more importantly in the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. Kenyans of goodwill in those respective areas, conduct yourselves in a peaceful manner, in a manner that is decent in a manner that allows freedom of expression to all the candidates who are supporting the various political parties, so that then democracy is seen to thrive. At the national level and at the county and at the level of the respective constituencies and wards, we have partnered with the national institutions, including the National Police Service, to ensure they provide adequate security to all our electoral officials, but to all the candidates and the political parties that are engaged in the campaigns. More importantly, the National Police Service is here also to provide security to our materials as we move them to the various sites, as we deploy them to the various polling stations. The National Security has pledged and is here to continue working with us to ensure that the elections are secured and that they are peaceful. We took office in July 11th, 2025, and we took an oath and we took a pledge and we made a promise to Kenyans that this new commission will conduct peaceful, free, fair, credible, transparent and verifiable elections. And this is the test for us. These by-elections will be that acid test for this commission.
Kurwa asensemo yoburendi mu Inspector General w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja nigonera kwanira oburendi chingaki obochori obubura chego korekana asateba bagendete gukora obutuki guri chinsemo chiria chibura buru charokana anemono ebunge ya Kasipul nakoteba igati abari ababete bagochera abamwabo ningo barachiko imukirwa egetambukiro egetindikeri chiko.
We must conduct ourselves in a manner that ensures that we maintain security throughout. Number two, I want to assure the public that we are investigating all cases of intimidation, intolerance in all by-elections that we have seen. Case in point, Kasipul. So, any person who involves himself in a manner that causes breach of the law, including all the other areas, Bahrain included and many others, the National Police Service will not allow. And we are going to do our work as guided by the Constitution. Right now, in Kasipul, in Kasipul, we are following up on all those who have committed several criminal acts. And it is the high time that those who have committed those crimes, and they are not already with us, they come forward to the police. Because our teams are out there, and we must get them. As the chair of the IBC has said, let the candidates conduct themselves peaceably, in a peaceful manner, as they continue to campaign and to carry out all those that pertains to campaigning period. It must be done in a manner that is acceptable, a manner that is guided by the laws. I want to state that the National Police Service is out there to ensure, and it has actually been doing it, to ensure that before, during, and even after the elections, our country remains safe and secure. Those are the assurances that I would like to give.
Majiga wogo chengera emyaka 20 wikema ya ODM nigo ochakiwa gose bwokoba gwikiame kiga ODM nigo ogendrete kubwata inse anemono ase county area ya Mombasa ritko ria kaberero bara ikorwa ekiame kyo nigo baumirana n'abasaye Chinsa chamambya nabono maragoba nigo bagendrete gochengera amona bangina mukonyi w'umura yase kiame kyo mugavana we county ya Kisii Moske Paul Simbarati nigaruru kubolya gocha saba site banga ino batemekurwa se kiame kyo asene banigo atianire una barabuna baraikora se kiame kyo nigo baragendere gotinya okoba ororo kwikiame kyo semya kerebosi
SD wangu hakuna vile tutawacha kiti hiki cha chama chetu kiende chini. Vijana wengi wamesema tafadhali msiuzwe. Don't be bought. Hatuwezi nunuliwa kivyo vyote vile. Vijana, hakuna lingine ambalo taelezekana kabla sisi hatujashikana. Mimi nawaomba, kama ni jera tutaenda pamoja. Kama ni tear gas tena itakuja, tutakula pamoja. Kama ni mapambano, tutapambana pamoja. Haki ya kila Mkenya lazima italindwa.
Haya, vijana hoye! Vijana hoye! ODM! Wacha tuone vijana, mbona hamna nguvu? ODM! Tuone kwa mikono kama mko tayari, mko tayari, mko tayari. Basi wacha pia mimi nichukue nafasi hii niwasalimie vijana na niwaambie hivi. Mara ya mwisho nilikuwa na baba kabla aende safari pale Malindi, aliniambia vijana lazima tuwalete pamoja na tuwaweke kwa siasa, tuwaongoze. Na leo tuko hapa na SG na viongozi wote tukisema kwamba vijana, nyinyi sio viongozi wa kesho tena, nyinyi ni viongozi wa leo. Kwa hivyo katika chama cha ODM mchukue fursa, mfanye bidii, na wale mnatoka Kilifi, wako wengine hapa wa Kilifi, mkitoka hapa muende Magarini. Hiyo ndio testi ya kwanza ya kujua tunamwenzi baba, kwamba kiti ya Magarini iende kwa ODM, si ndio? Ninyi watu wa Kilifi mwende mlale huko. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki.
Haya, asante sana. Tumefika kikomo kwa wale walikuwa wanaondoka. Sisi wengine wote tutasalia hapa tuketi na nyinyi tupige sherehe. Tumegawana kazi namna hiyo, si sawa? Asante sana.
Mwanchumuri ntogendre koretera ayo nemono ase Ekeonga kerebosio Chinsa ibere na Chinsa nyachare botukubarero angyo nagoikari tukoria Jumapili ritokomanye buna narariari agendrete gokorekana ime county yo ya Mombasa. Togo skabosio muraibuense Daktari wa Samuel Ruto mokonyo Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki na bareibande kurwa asense miri ya Bukamba nigo bagenderere netaro yabo ya magendero orogongo rwa Bukamba asiri tukoria gatoto rero abare yabo baika imeye county ya Makueni ase bagendereria bona gochakia na weyokoro tota emirobire ya magendero ase orogongo ukona kurwa ebungi ya Kagunde gotoka county ya Makueni nigo mokonyo muraibuense airabuna se moteyo iratigare magega ase magendero asaboigo arurokoboya gochia sabajumbe gwete muswada o infrastructure fund kero oraikiwe ase bunge bunenchira ya moyo kwene kebona amagendero nko ikigware ase chinsemo emergency ya Kenya.
Sasa rais amesema ya kwamba sisi kama serikali tuhakikishe kwamba kila sehemu ya Kenya imepata haki yake ya maendeleo, na kusikue kuna sehemu yoyote ya Kenya ambayo imewachwa nyuma ati kwa sababu ya kura, kwa sababu ya vyama, kwa sababu ya dini. Kenya yetu ni moja, tunahitaji umoja wa taifa, na hii umoja wa taifa utapatikana kama tutafanya maendeleo katika kaunti zetu 47 kwa usawa. We have one country, one nation, one people. We must defend our national unity by developing every part of the country. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? Jambo la pili na la mwisho, Mheshimiwa Rais amesema ya kwamba tukisikiza vile wananchi wanasema katika sehemu nyingi za Kenya, barabara hazitoshi, stima haitoshi, maji hayatoshi, na ni lazima tuweke infrastructure fund ile ambayo sasa itatuwezesha kupanua barabara za Kenya. Tuongeze, tuwe na additional 10,000 kilometers of tarmac, tuwe na additional 10,000 megawatts of electricity, tuwe na additional 50 mega dams ya kuweka irrigation, ndio tuwe na chakula ya kutosha na watu wa Kenya wapate mambo yao ya kilimo ikiwa sawa sawa. Na kwa hivyo ninauliza wabunge wetu wakati hiyo mswada wa infrastructure fund utaletwa bungeni, waunge mkono ndio tupate stima, tupate barabara, tupate maji, Kenya isonge mbele from third world to first world. Ni kweli si kweli?
Wikiraga umoncho murigerera no togochukira mwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asinchira hyobo mwera korende ayomona yanda mange harani otutunyangiri nagenda to kwariganiria agochire Chinsa ibere nabo igo Chinsa inyecho botuko barera asinchira ryo wikira ninchenkuru kwa Catherine Nyaboga wisoni makoro koraso muno abo imanyiro Kevin ongere kuri studio akapere nero kwana kebona tibichechi na Mario ngo ikira chira asinchira hyo wikira twaro borigerera borobia asomoro wa marigani yesabato oragochire asembio aseka getari getambe nabo igo utwara morogo bomya tumirane ritwire anyo.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure e company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomenteranibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2026 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and